Looking for a reliable, long-lasting car that won't break the bank? Today, we're counting down the top 10 budget cars that dominate America and Western markets. Number 10, Honda Fit. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the Honda Fit. Now, the Fit might be small on the outside, but step inside and you'll be genuinely surprised by how much space Honda has managed to pack in. The rear seats fold in multiple configurations, giving you incredible cargo flexibility for a car this size. Fuel economy is one of its biggest strengths. You're looking at excellent mileage both in the city and on the highway. At number 9, we have the Kia Forte. A few years ago, Kia wasn't considered a serious contender in the budget sedan space. That's changed completely. The Forte brings a genuinely stylish exterior design, a well-built interior, and modern tech features that you'd expect from a car costing much more. The ride quality is smooth and comfortable, making daily commutes far less tiring. Kia has also significantly improved its reliability scores in recent years. Number 8 on our list is the Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai has gone through a major transformation over the last decade, and the Elantra is one of the best examples of that. The interior is modern and well-designed, the ride is smooth and refined, and the fuel efficiency numbers are genuinely impressive for the price. What makes the Elantra stand out is how much value it packs into its price bracket. You're getting standard safety features. Number 7, Toyota Corolla. Coming in at number 7 is the Toyota Corolla, one of the most iconic names in automotive history. The Corolla has been in production for decades, and the reason is simple. It works consistently for a very long time. Reliability is where the Corolla truly shines. Owners report minimal issues even after 150,000 or 200,000 miles, which is a testament to Toyota's engineering standards. Number 6, Mazda 3. At number 6, the Mazda 3, and this one genuinely stands apart from the rest of the budget segment. While most affordable cars prioritize practicality over driving enjoyment, Mazda took a different approach. The Mazda 3 features a premium-feeling interior with high-quality materials that feel more expensive than the price tag suggests. Number 5, Subaru Impreza. Number 5 is the Subaru Impreza, and this car earns its spot for one major reason. It comes standard with symmetrical all-wheel drive. While most budget cars offer AWD only as an expensive upgrade, if at all, Subaru includes it as standard across the lineup. That makes the Impreza an outstanding option for anyone living in regions with harsh winters, heavy rain, or challenging road conditions. Beyond the AWD system, the Impreza also performs well in safety ratings. At number 4, we have the Honda Accord. This is my personal favorite car if you need more space than a compact sedan can offer. The Accord is where you upgrade, and it's worth every bit of the step up. The cabin is spacious and well-appointed, with comfortable seating for 5 and a genuinely premium feel for its price range. Highway driving is smooth and relaxed, with the kind of refined ride quality you'd associate with more expensive vehicles. Honda's reliability reputation is world-class, and the Accord consistently ranks among the most dependable midsize sedans on the market. Add in strong resale value and low long-term ownership costs. Number 3, Toyota Prius. Entering the top 3 at number 3 is the Toyota Prius, the car that essentially invented the mainstream hybrid segment. The Prius is built around one core promise: saving you money on fuel, and it delivers on that promise better than almost anything else on the road. Fuel efficiency numbers are extraordinary, and over time, those savings add up significantly. At number 2, the Honda Civic, and honestly, this car needs very little introduction. The Civic is one of the best-selling and most respected compact cars in the world, and for good reason. It offers a sharp, modern design that stands out in a segment that can often look generic. Performance is confident and engaging, the interior is well-designed with excellent build quality, and the number 1 budget car on our list, the Toyota Camry. The Camry doesn't just win 1 or 2 categories. It wins all of them. Reliability is exceptional, with countless owners reporting trouble-free ownership well beyond 200,000 miles. The ride quality is smooth, composed, and genuinely comfortable for long drives. If you are watching for budget car, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.